In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Drive offline. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. Open your Google Drive account, then you're going to click on the settings icon that is located on the top right corner. Then you're going to select settings. This is the settings menu. What you're going to do is scroll down until you find the offline option. Simply check the box to enable the offline mode, and this way Google Drive is going to let you edit, open, and use your documents while you are offline. This means you won't have to have any Wi-Fi or internet connection to be able to edit and use your Google Drive files. If it's only one file that you want to use with the offline option, what you can do is right click on it, and then at the bottom right here, you're going to see make available offline. You can just go ahead and click that. And that's it. That way you're able to use your files without having any internet connection. Hope that helps.